Yeah, trying to get Miss P to pose and do video with horses.
There.
Miss P, oh, there she is. Come on, Miss P, up close and personal. Come on. That doesn't work on Miss P.
What?
Go and smooch.
Whistle.
I can't. I had trouble at feeding time. I was trying to teach her to come to my bird call because come on, Miss P, we're taking a video of you. Come on, pretty bird. Oh, run, Miss P, run. Here. Miss P, run past Pokey. Go on, let's go up that way. Get Pokey in the picture. Miss P not scared of much. Come on, let's move.
No, you can't hurt her either, that son of a bitch.
Come on, Miss P, let's move. Keep going. Keep going. There you're going up by Pokey. There's a pretty Pokey. Yeah.
You want to play Pokey? Here.
Come on, Miss P. Whoop, there goes a cat. Now we got cats in the act. Oh, well, we're stopping now. Yes, Pokey says, fine, I'm ready to stop. Oop, there she comes, though. Come on, Miss P. Go stand by Pokey. Go stand by, go jump on Pokey. I've seen you think about it. Go jump on Pokemon. No, okay. Miss P's coming in for her close-up. Coming in for her close-up. Oh, pretty bird. Pretty bird. All done. Bingo. I said